Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you a quick and easy way to remove the Apple Cash card from your iPhone in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a list of all the cards and keys connected to your device. Tap on previous cards to view your existing Apple Cash card. Next, we'll head over to the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find the option labeled Wallet and Apple Pay. Go ahead and tap on that. Now look for Apple Cash in this menu. Once you find it, tap on it and you'll see an option to turn it off. Just toggle on off Apple Cash and that's it. Your card will be removed from your wallet. Don't worry, your Apple Cash balance will still be available on other devices linked to your Apple ID. And that's how the simple steps this is. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.